Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your country or location on Ometv using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, download the Ometv app from the App Store if you haven't already. And once installed, go ahead and open the app. And you'll see the multiple sign-in options. Continue as guest, and here you can also sign in with Apple or sign in with Facebook, no matter which one you choose. The steps will be the same. Now tap the profile icon top right corner. Even if you're just using a guest account, you'll see your current location displayed. Tap the edit icon next to your profile. And once you're in the edit section, tap on the country field and you'll see a list of available countries to choose from. Select the country you want, for example, France. You can even favorite a country to make it quicker next time. Once you've selected your preferred location, you're good to go. Ometv will now connect you with the users from that country. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any helpful video. Thanks for watching.